We ended our night at Taboo Cancun, and everything was 10 out of 10. If you're ever in Cancun, please visit Taboo. It was worth every single penny.
Let's switch this up.
Oh my god, they're on fire. The drinks are on fire.
No, the ultimate.
This was both of our first times having a drink with mezcal, and that one drink had us both lit.
That's so cool.
That's fire. How's your drink, baby?
It's good, but these fucking chia seeds.
We were already super impressed with the first artist, and then they brought out this man, and he brought the energy. I still get chills watching this back.
Look at this.
After falling off an ATV and hurting my leg earlier in the day, I thought we'd just be going to dinner to have a chill night, but we ended up dancing all night long. I mean, how could you not with those performers? Our excursion for day 4 actually started in the restaurant we went to the day before. That's across the street from our hotel, which was really convenient, and they have really, really good food. We started out with a Mayan cleansing ceremony, which was really dope. I honestly could not recommend this excursion more. We booked it with Porta Maya Cancun, and the mini speedboats were so much fun, and they take you to snorkel, and they also feed you lunch afterwards. And again, that restaurant is phenomenal. We spent our last night in Cancun chilling at the pool, and I chilled at the beach while E did a jet ski ride. I definitely had to sit that out after doing excursions with a hurt leg. We took the R1, the $1 bus, to Porfirio's for dinner, and the food was really good, and the location was also amazing, but the entertainment definitely did not compare to Taboo for about the same price tag. Sadly, somehow we did not come across this beach bar until the very last morning of our vacation. A lot of people say that Cancun is a tourist trap, and it definitely is very touristy and pricey, but it was worth every penny to me. There's a ton of fun excursions and things to get into, amazing restaurants, amazing beaches, and the people were so nice and helpful, and the public transportation was super convenient. There are a ton of resorts to choose from. We stayed at Emporio Cancun, and make sure you subscribe because I will be uploading a hotel tour soon. I couldn't recommend it enough. We did not do the all-inclusive option because we like to try out local restaurants. I'll definitely make sure to link all of our tours that we did. If you missed part one, go back and watch part one because it was just as much fun.